In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Payoneer account to your Adobe Stock profile. This process is quite straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you are comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to your search bar and type in Adobe Stock. Hit Enter, and the search results will pop up. Click on the official Adobe Stock website link. You should be taken straight to their homepage. Now, once you're on the Adobe Stock site, you need to log in. If you're already a member, you know the drill. Just enter your credentials and access your account. If you're new, you'll need to sign up. Follow the typical sign-up procedure, which involves entering your details and verifying your email. It's a one-time setup, and then you're good to go. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Adobe Stock dashboard. It may look a bit overwhelming at first with various options available, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. You'll want to set up your profile first if you haven't done so. Look for an option that says Complete Profile and give it a click. This will direct you toward filling out more information about yourself, essentially making your Adobe Stock experience a bit more personalized. Part of your profile setup includes specifying how you'd like to receive payments for any contributions you make. Payment processing is critical, especially if you're planning to make some earnings selling your work. Scroll down this profile page, and you'll spot a section labeled Payment Information. It's a crucial area as it determines how you'll withdraw any funds you earn. Within this payment section, there's an opportunity to select Payoneer as your preferred payment method. Simply click on the button that says Connect beside Payoneer. This will initiate the process of linking your Payoneer account with Adobe Stock. If you already have a Payoneer account, you'll be prompted to log in and authorize the connection. But let's say this is your first time. You'll be directed to create a Payoneer account, which is pretty straightforward. You enter your details, follow their verification process, and you're all set. After logging in or setting up your Payoneer account, follow the prompts to complete the connection. Payoneer will guide you through some on-screen instructions to confirm everything. And that's it. Your accounts should now be linked. Remember, ensuring your payment information is accurate is essential to smoothly receive payments. You might want to double-check everything once you're done, just to be on the safe side. And there you have it. A fully connected Payoneer account within your Adobe Stock profile, ready for those funds to start rolling in. Thanks for following along, and happy selling on Adobe Stock.